everyone, welcome to my channel English Based Skill. Let's explore the world of phrasal verbs. Boil over. When a liquid overflows due to excessive heat, be careful not to let the soup boil over. Repeat again. Be careful not to let the soup boil over. Heat up. To warm food or a dish. I'll heat up the leftovers for dinner. Repeat again. I will heat up the leftovers for dinner. Cut up. To chop or slice food into smaller pieces. Can you cut up the vegetables for the salad? Repeat again. Can you cut up the vegetables for the salad? Mix in. To combine ingredients by stirring. You can mix in the spices after adding the tomato sauce. Repeat again. You can mix in the spices after adding the tomato sauce. Whisk together. To beat ingredients vigorously using a whisk. Whisk together the eggs and milk to make the batter. Repeat again. Whisk together the eggs and milk to make the batter. Take out. To remove something from a refrigerator. Can you take out the burr from the fridge? Repeat again. Can you take out the burr from the fridge? Pour out. To transfer the liquid from one container to another. Please pour out some juice for me. Repeat again. Please pour out some juice for me. Stir in. To mix an ingredients into a dish by gently moving it with a spoon. Stir in the sugar until it's dissolved. Repeat again. Stir in the sugar until it's dissolved. Bake off. To finish baking something in the oven. I will bake off the cookies in a few minutes. Repeat again. I will bake off the cookies in a few minutes. Set aside. To keep something reserved for later use. Set aside a cup of flour for dusting the counter. Repeat again. Set aside a cup of flour for dusting the counter. Peel off. To remove the outer skin of a fruit or vegetables, I need to peel off the potato skin. Repeat again. I need to peel off the potato skin. Slice up. To cut something into thin, even pieces. Let's slice up the cake for dessert. Repeat again. Let's slice up the cake for dessert. Grind up. To reduce something to a fine powdery texture. You can grind up coffee beans for fresh coffee. You can grind up coffee beans for fresh coffee. Melt down. To heat the solid substance until it becomes a liquid. Melt down the chocolate for the fondue. Repeat again. Melt down the chocolate for the fondue. Wash up. To clean dishes and utensils after a meal. I will wash up the dishes while you dry them. Repeat again. I will wash up the dishes while you dry them. Chop up. To cut something into small, irregular pieces. Chop up the nuts for the salad. Repeat again. Chop up the nuts for the salad. Simmer down. To reduce the heat to a lower temperature to maintain a gentle boil. Let the soup simmer down for a while. Repeat again. Let the soup simmer down for a while. To bring the liquid to a boil. Boil up the pot of water for pasta. Repeat again. Boil up the pot of water for the pasta. Marinate in. To soak food in a flavored liquid for certain amount of time. I like to marinate the chicken in herbs and spices. Repeat again. I like to marinate the chicken in herbs and spices. Measure out. to determine the quantity of an ingredient using measuring cups or spoons. Measure out 2 cups of flour for the cake batter. Repeat again. Measure out 2 cups of flour for the cake batter. Now it's time to say goodbye to my lovely friends. Take care, bye bye. Do subscribe us for more latest educational videos.